Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will be discussing one of my projects based on the Aura Lightning component in Salesforce. In this project, we have exported millions of production details from Microsoft Dynamics and then processed and stored them in Salesforce. Let me now share with you the client's requirements. After storing the production details in Salesforce, the client wanted us to match the production detail records to account object records based on specific fields. And when the data matches, the production detail records will be linked under that account. Before moving on the project's demo, let me give you a brief overview of our solutions that we implemented in this project. We built an Aura Lightning component in Salesforce. We then processed the production detail records using batch epochs. We have matched production details records using a junction object and used apex trigger to update manual matched records. At last, we linked the production detail records to the matched account. Let me now show you the working of a model component. If a user clicks on the production detail page list view button, match records, a model dialog box opens up that checks if there are a new account from which associated ID reference records are presented in Salesforce. If new account records are found, then it inserts ID reference, custom object, records in the Salesforce and updates the account's ID in the ID reference to restrict the creation of duplicate ID reference records with the same account ID. Here the process bar shows the status of the records being inserted. The user is provided with two options: match selected list view records and match based on selected year or month. After selecting one of the desired options, the user can choose the process match button. Once the user clicked on the process match button, it will match the production detail records with the ID reference, and it checks based on two fields: production details ACD office number C field and production detail internal ID match C field. As the ID reference records insertion process gets completed, the user can get started with the matching process. Here you can see two options to filter records. The user can either select match selected list view records option or match based on the selected year or month option. After selecting the required option, the user can click on the process match button. Then the matching process will begin. Here the production detail record is matched with ID reference and it checks this based on two fields: production details ACD office number C field and production details internal ID match C field. If any of the records are found based on these two fields, it will associate the production detail recording with the account, and here the progress bar shows the matching progress. And as a result, it shows that the production detail records are successfully processed. If no match is found from the above two checks, the user goes to the manual approach to match production detail records with the account. And when the user updates the production detail record manually with the account lookup field, the trigger gets fired, which updates the ID reference table for the ACD number field of the production detail record. And then it updates the checkbox field manual ID match C as true and sets the current date for the manual ID match date C date field. This is how the production detail records are linked with the account. Are you on the verge of integrating Salesforce solutions into your business or planning to scale the Salesforce systems within your organization? For any Salesforce related needs, you can count on us. Our Salesforce developers help you accelerate productivity, maximize profits, and accelerate your sales productivity through Salesforce implementation, consulting, customization, and integration. Our end-to-end Salesforce development services can help you improve your business outcomes. Contact us now to discuss your project's requirements and needs. Contact us today.